Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's Grocery Stores, and in the midst of all the king cake and adult beverages on Marti Gras, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, classic Creole dish straight from New Orleans that you and your guests are absolutely going to love. Chicken Creole is an absolute staple in New Orleans and Louisiana, and it is so incredibly easy to make. You're gonna get some good sustenance in your body so you can enjoy all the festivities of Marti Gras, and it's unbelievably delicious. You're gonna love it, I promise. To start, what we need to do is medium dice up some fresh chicken breasts. Once those are to those consistencies, go ahead and add it to a bowl. Head over to your cooktop, and in a large shallow pot or rondo over medium heat, we're going to add in some olive oil. What we want to do is to cook the chicken first, get a nice light browning on them, so add them to that pot. We're gonna stir them around, make sure they're cooked through, and also this is a great time to season with Two Brothers all-purpose seasoning. It's gonna be perfect for this chicken Creole recipe. Once they are a little bit brown, let's go ahead and set the chicken to the side on a plate. And in that pot, keep it on medium heat, we are gonna add in some onions, garlic, celery, green bell peppers, red bell peppers, and what we wanna do is get a nice light saute on these, cook maybe 4 to 5 minutes. Also, just like the chicken, we're going to season it with some of the Two Brothers all-purpose seasoning. Give it a few stirs. Let's go ahead and add the chicken right back into the pot. Now, because chicken Creole is thick, what we want to do is sprinkle in some flour to make a roux with the vegetables and chicken that are in the pot. Go ahead and stir it right in. Next, we're going to add in some chicken stock. Give that a nice stir. You're going to see it starts to become thick already, but we're also going to add in some crushed tomatoes. This is going to help get us that really beautiful, vibrant red color in this chicken Creole recipe. While this is simmering on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes, we're going to make some rice. So go ahead and go back over to your countertop, and we are going to measure out some long grain white rice that we're going to add right to a pot. Next, go ahead and add in your water. We're going over to a cooktop, and what we want to do is bring this mixture to a boil. Once it is boiling, put a lid on it, turn the heat all the way down to simmer on low, and cook it for 15 minutes or until it's done. While the rice is cooking, we can finish off our chicken Creole. So what we're gonna do is add in a little bit more Two Brothers seasoning just to make sure it's nice and flavorful. We're next gonna sprinkle in some fresh chopped parsley and fresh thyme. And of course, we're talking about Creole cooking. We're gonna hit it with some hot sauce at the end. It smells absolutely incredible in here. Cannot wait to get into this. To plate up, simply add some rice to a plate. We're gonna top off with some of that delicious chicken Creole. Garnish with parsley. Boom, we are done. Such an easy dish to make on Marti Gras. What a great way to celebrate the holiday. This is one of those staple classics right out of New Orleans. You're gonna love it, I promise. And you saw how easy it was to make. I mean, you're talking 30 minutes for this. Awesome. Get all these great ingredients from your favorite Heinen's grocery stores. And hey, stop by Heinen's.com because we have a ton of amazing recipes there. I know you will love them. I want to get into this. We'll see y'all next time.